Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev, and in this session I'm going to explain you data types and variables in C# and Unity. A data type specifies the type of data. This data could be a string or an integer or a boolean or a float or a double. Again, depending on the accepted value or the data type, various operations can be performed on that particular data. String data type is used to store sequence of characters, numbers, special characters in the form of words or sentences. A value of a string data type is enclosed within double quotes. It is always put inside double quotes. The another data type is your int data type, which is used to store 32-bit integer numbers. These numbers are generally whole numbers, which will include positive and negative numbers as well. Again, we have a float data type, which is used to store floating point numbers. Double is also used to store floating point numbers, but the only difference between a float and double is that double stores larger size numbers than the float. Again, we have a bool data type, which is generally used to store true or false values. Generally used to store information. This information could be a name of the player or a score or a health. Now, value assigned to a variable can always be altered, modified during the execution of a program. Again, when a variable is created, some space in memory is allocated. Declaration of a variable always starts with a data type followed by the name of the variable. So here is my editor. We have already created an empty game object. I have renamed that empty game object to variables object. Again, I have created a script here and the name of the script is my variables. Let's open the script and declare some variables inside the script. Firstly, let's declare a string variable. Okay. First name equals to, let's assign a value to the variable. Okay. Danny. So in declaration of a variable, string is the data type, first name is the name of the variable, and Danny is the value assigned to the variable first name. Okay, now let's declare a variable with int data type. Okay, let's name it as num1 and let's assign a value. Let's declare a variable with float data type. Let's name it as num2 and let's assign a value 10.5. Now let's declare a variable with a data type double num3 equals to, and lastly let's declare a variable with a bool data type my val. My val is the name of the variable. Let's assign the value true to the variable my val. Variables that we have declared here, we are going to print those variables inside the console now. So let's start printing the values for the variables. Okay, so we just need to pass the name for the variable here. Let's save the script and let's attach this script to the game object which we have created here, which is variables object. Okay, here it is. So that's it guys. Thank you for the session. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.